Sogging Times on February the 2nd, 2023. Traditional Groundhog Day, and we are in Southampton Saugeen Shores, and we are under a snow squall warning, and we have had, let me tell you, lots of snow. Just all of a sudden it came up with high winds, very high winds. Oh, now Wyerton Willie said this morning, our famous groundhog in Wyerton, oh my goodness, it's difficult to even stand here, that we are going to have an early spring. Oh my goodness, I hope he's right. Because, right now it sure doesn't feel like it. We are under snow squalls, as I said, and we are supposed to have frigid temperatures tomorrow. I don't know, with this wind it feels like they've already arrived. Anyway, this is Sogging Times on Groundhog Day, February the 2nd, 2023, capturing your weather in Southampton Saugeen Shores on Lake Huron.